everyone. I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
Come with us as we rope drop at Disneyland.
Let's go.
All right, it is 7:16 and we are leaving our hotel to walk about 7 minutes to get to Disneyland. We are rope dropping the main castle park today. So let's see how long it takes us to get to security. If you don't know what rope dropping is, essentially it's when you get to the park before it opens. They let you in the park, but they don't let you pass a certain spot. They have cast members there with an actual rope holding it up, and then there's an announcement that plays, and they drop the rope, and that's when you can go to whatever ride you're trying to get to.
All right, it's 7:23. We're about to go through security. Actually looks pretty good. Looks a little bit better than yesterday. So, yeah, that's exciting.
All right, 7:28, and we are through security. Unfortunately, the lines getting into Disneyland look pretty bad, so we're going to see. But luckily, there's a lot of different rope drop paths. So what is our strategy today, David?
Okay, yeah, so I think we're going to actually try for Indy first thing, because that tends to go down really quick and often, as a lot of you know. So we're going to do that, and then I think anyone that went to Haunted Mansion will be done by the time we're out of Indy, so that might be the next one we hit up after that.
We are in the park. It is 7:36, and we are headed to our spot to go to Indy. All right, it is 7:40, and we are now right in front of Adventureland, so we are in a good position to go to Indy.
Yeah, I think a lot of these people are going to go to Rise, even though I think the other side for Frontierland is a little bit better to get to Rise, but if you're fast, this might be a good route. $7.59, and they already dropped the rope, so everybody's getting hit with strollers. You're okay. I just got hit with a stroller.
That's what happens when you rope drop.
Yep, that's all right. Everybody will get where they're going. Just a reminder, don't run.
Eight o'clock, and we are in line for Indiana Jones. I think we're going to get in pretty fast.
It did seem like a lot of people were going to Galaxy's Edge from that path, which I don't think is the fastest, but they were running, so maybe it will work out for them. But Indiana Jones, there's the front of the line right there.
Yeah.
We can actually see it, and we're still outside, so that was actually really good. Considering we didn't run or anything, I think we did pretty good.
We're actually leisurely walking.
Yeah. So
It is 8:12, and we are on the vehicle.
At the brakes, we may need a little.
Mara, glittering gold. It is yours.
Take a look there. It's the only way.
take a left, Rachel.
There. That wasn't so bad.
All right, it is 8:17, and we just got off the ride. So where are we going next, David?
We're going to do Haunted Mansion. Hopefully the initial rush is gone, and the operations on that are so good, I think it's going to be pretty empty right now.
It says 13 minutes, so that's a good
did it? Oh, good. We're good.
All right, it is 8:22, and we are already almost all the way through the line of Haunted Mansion. There's like nobody outside.
Yeah, it's basically a walk-on, so I think that was a good call. Haunted Mansion gets kind of crazy later, and they're fairly close to each other, so I think we made a good decision.
Yeah.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Let me out of here, man.
Happy homes to terrorize and begin to vocalize where from hitchhiking ghosts. And will haunt you until you return. Now.
All right, it's 8:33, and we just made it off Haunted Mansion. It was like basically a walk-on.
Yep.
It was so fast.
Yeah, there was like 10 people in our stretching room, it felt like. But now we're going to head over to Big Thunder, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
All right, it's 8:36 and we're in line for Big Thunder Mountain. We're gonna go ride the mountain, baby. The wildest ride in the wilderness.
It is 8:46 and we're on Big Thunder.
Let's go. You got the dynamite, Rachel! Blind you, huh?
It's 8:51 and we are back in line for Big Thunder. It still says 5 minutes and it was really fast.
And we're moving pretty good, so it might be right. We'll see.
$8.59 and we are on our second Big Thunder.
Whoa, sorry, Rachel. Woo! Oh, let's get the goat. Whoa! All right, 9:04. We just got off our second ride on Big Thunder, and we're gonna head over to the Pirates of the Caribbean and see what's happening on the bayou. So,
9:06 and we're already in the Pirates line and it's going like right in the building.
yep,
It is 9:10 and we are on Pirates of the Caribbean.
yep. Let's see what's going on in the bayou.
So it's 9:12 and we have not moved. We are still in the Blue Bayou area.
Yeah, all the boats are backed up at the drop. It looks like.
Nah, something's going on.
Oh, there's sailors. Ye come seek an adventure and Saudi old pirates, eh?
Descending entertainment show.
That's a good lad. Come on. Oh, steady. Yeah.
I humbly accept this magnificent treasure.
All right, it is 9:35. It is raining now, and we have been stuck on Pirates, so it took a lot longer than we had expected.
Yeah, our game plan now is to try to go knock out some Fantasyland rides. Mostly because they do get kind of crazy, and because they're indoor, I think with the rain, it might get a little even more crazy later. So we'll see how many we can knock out. All right, it's 9:40. We just got in line for Snow White, and actually looks really good. There's only a couple switchbacks, so I think we'll be all right.
It's disguise.
It is 9:48, and we just got off of Snow White. So we're in Fantasyland. I think we're going to see if we can get on any of the other rides before our breakfast time at 10:05. It is 9:50, and we're going into Pinocchio.
Find a shop with lots of soda pop. What's happening? I don't want to be a doggy. Let me out of here, please.
Home at last.
All right, it's 9:56, and we just got off of Pinocchio, and it looks like Peter Pan just opened. So we're gonna go scope that out real
Yeah,
quick.
we're going to try to do that, and then we have to go do breakfast.
Yep, breakfast after that.
All right, 9:57, we're in line for Peter Pan, and I made a little change to our breakfast reservation to 10:15, so we have time to do this, but it's usually like a 40-minute wait in the morning, so we got really lucky with it coming back up. We are on, and it is 10:13.
Come on, everybody. Looks like I'm starting to ride straight on
10:15 and rope drop is officially over. We just finished Peter Pan. All right, so we are on our way to breakfast. So let's summarize what we did. We started with Indiana Jones. Then we went to Haunted Mansion. Then we went to Big Thunder and we rode that twice.
Yeah.
And then we went to Pirates and we kind of got stuck for a little while. But after Pirates, we went to Fantasyland and we knocked out Snow White, Pinocchio, and we got lucky with Peter Pan. We did 8 rides in about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Pretty insane, to be honest. At a park like this that has so many rides, there are a lot of rope drop strategies, but I think we did pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that you could have done 1 or 2 more if we hadn't broken down on Pirates.
Yeah.
The question is, which ones are you going to do, right? So we're always looking at what's going to have like 45 minutes or longer later in the day, especially if it's a hot day. If it's hot and you kind of keep the queue in mind. You don't want to be out in the sun or anything like that. So just, think about what you're going to be doing. I think planning is always going to be beneficial, obviously. Yeah. So set the game plan, try to execute, and be willing to pivot to something close by. Don't try to like crisscross the parks. Maybe Pirates isn't like the right choice right off the bat because it's already a longer ride. So if your strategy is to ride a bunch of rides, we kind of just did it because we were nearby. I knew it didn't have a line early, so unfortunately it broke down. So that's kind of how we like to tackle the parks.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody, for joining us as we rope drop Disneyland. So we'll put some of the wait times here so you can kind of see what they look like right now. But a lot of the bigger rides are around 40-45 minutes, things that we got done earlier in the day. So I think we killed it. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think we could have done much better than how we did it. There's some things that are down right now, so that kind of makes us change our game plan a little bit. Overall, I think we did really good for what we were trying to do. And I'm really happy with it. So I think it's going to be a very, very successful day, even though we got a little bit of rain and we got stopped on Pirates. I don't know. I think we did pretty good.
Yeah. Do you have any rope drop strategies that you usually use? Let us know in the comments, or let us know if you have any questions about any of the rides that we rode today. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content from us, please like the video on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. But for now, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And we hope this video helps you find the right direction for your next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.